Look at this, you know exactly what you want. Now you're wondering how it gets shipped to your house, to your business, to your warehouse, wherever it might be. So depending on where it's going and depending on what equipment you have will kind of depend on how you're going to be able to unload the slat wall panels. So if you get a shipment of 4x8 slat wall panels, you either have to use a forklift with the 8-foot fork extensions so you can scoop underneath the pallet, or you'll have to unload it by hand with a minimum of 2 people. If you have more than like 25 or 30 panels, you might want 4 people there because it can be a little heavy and people get tired. Now, if you're buying the 4x4 slat wall panels, then when the truck shows up, they can use the lift gate to lower it down to the floor. With that said, they can use a pallet jack, move it around. A lot of times they bring it right to the door of your business, unless you pay for the inside delivery, and that way you can get the slat wall panels there. If you don't want to use the lift gate so that you can maybe save a little bit of money on the shipping, then you can unload them by hand. I just have to get it done within about 15 minutes or so. And if you have a forklift, the 4x4 slat wall panels are super easy to unload, standard forks, good to go.